Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we will go over the Logo Maker tool. To start, go and click on the Logo Maker tool. In this exercise, we will create a logo using the text prompt feature. In the empty box, let's enter in our prompt. I entered in flashing lightning bolts in the center in the background with the words Image Presto and the center rainbow text with black outline. The text is bold and in cursive. With the slider turned on, enter in the text you'd like to appear on your logo. Go to your settings and choose a number of logos, your image format, your aspect ratio, and in your advanced settings, you can also adjust your guidance scale. When finished, go ahead and click on the Generate button. With the text slider turned on, we were able to generate a crisp image with the text and its placement. You can also turn on the Remove Background feature if you want a transparent background. With the Remove or Background feature turned off or on, we're able to generate images without compromising its quality or color vibrancy. Once you're satisfied with the image, click on the download icon.